Welcome back to the packed, very summery Levante beach in Benidorm town. This is Anna and my hubby Marcos with you here on the channel Benidorm by Anna, your number one guide for excellent holidays in Benidorm, Costa Blanca, Spain, and surrounding area too. We are on the beginning of the gorgeous Levante beach today. It is Saturday. And the atmosphere here is absolutely incredible, stunning, glorious day today. Could not be better. People know it, people love it, and that is how the beginning of the Levante beach in Rincon de Loix looks like. Usually there are specific parts of the beach that are busier than others, and this is the case of this area right here. Look at the amount of people. There's barely any space to sit down, honestly, here on the beach. And people are here from early hours of the morning. So many of them having a lovely walk, just enjoying the sunshine. Some of them are red already. Get that sunscreen, please. Because the sun is very active, by the way, right now. Even if it's April, don't be fooled by the Spanish sunshine. It is extremely active already. That is why you see so many people with red skin right now. Cleaning services, look at that. Even cleaning services are active. Oh, poor people. It might be so hot for them in these outfits. Wow. This is a very active beach. There's a lot of movement here. There's a lot of people here, which is why there's more cleaning services as well. Everything makes sense, doesn't it? The Roman Cafe / restaurant, very nice place to be. We love their food. It's not the cheapest one, but it is great. They have paella, they have burgers, they have menu of the day for around 20 euros. And this is menu with typical Spanish gazpacho, asparagus, main meal, which might be rice, meat, fish, etc., and dessert. Cocktail offers here. Look at that. Cocktail offers 12, two of them for 12 euros. Okay. Breakfast. This is a brand newly rebranded bikini beach here right on the Levante beach promenade. So many colorful umbrellas. Wow, so many umbrellas, so many the beach chairs as well. Wow. Ooh, it looks like it's so hot outside. It definitely is very warm, don't get me wrong. It's around 22 probably right now. There's a yellow flag though because there is some slight wind every now and then. But is it stopping people? Obviously not. It is a gorgeous, glorious weather. It is Easter holidays right now. It's Saturday. Supermarkets are still open today and some of the businesses are open too. But overall, people are just enjoying outside as much as they can. And this is what we are doing as well. Some nice vitamin D on the Spanish sunshine. Terraces are absolutely full. People are getting late breakfast / brunch already, which is what many are doing because it is midday almost. Some are heading towards the beach, others from the beach already because they've been here early morning. People are just enjoying playing different beach sports. Bars here, really busy. Lil Bob's for food and drinks. The beach terrace, British bar, they call it, really popular with stag hen parties. Look at that. See, told ya. Told ya. Look at that. Probably he's gonna get married, so we'll wish him a nice celebration. Let's wish him a nice marriage, shall we? Because probably that is the case. That is why he's dressed like a bride. This Sol Beach bar also really busy. Only a couple of tables on the terrace are left unoccupied. Typical Spanish bars too. People are grabbing typical Spanish breakfast, which is the toast with tomato and olive oil. Some of them put ham on it, either a usual one or jamon serrano, with coffee or tea plus freshly pressed orange juice. That is a typical Spanish breakfast. We all love it. I know some countries eat toast with tomato, like in poor countries and those who do not have much food, like Cuba, for example. But for them, it's like a poor's breakfast, as they mentioned by themselves, actually. Those who come here to Spain to live. But for us, this is like the best Spanish breakfast ever. Oh, look at the terraces. Wow. This is one of our favorite places to go as well for a drink, for a snack. They have nice meat selection. It's not just a bar. It's like a restaurant more or less where you can grab some nice meat, some snacks, salads, hamburgers, drinks, whatever you want basically. And some more terraces with loveliest cocktails. Sex on the beach, tequila, sunrise, woo woo. 2 for 12 euros. That's what's written on the board at least. 2 for 12 euros, that's great. If you're coming with a group of people, obviously it's one cocktail for 6 euros. That's not as expensive. And as you can see, more and more people are coming literally towards this place. Some more wind is rising up slowly but surely, but this doesn't stop people from enjoying. So many are grabbing already their first meals of the day or second meals of the day if they've had breakfast already by now. And some of these places, it is a curious thing here on the beach. Let us know if you've seen it. There are bars and restaurants that are mostly frequented by Spanish national tourists in general. Then there's bars and cafeterias that are frequented by other tourists, mostly from Belgium, Netherlands, Norway, or Scandinavian countries. And then there's bars where you mostly will hear people speaking in English, so like native speakers. Hello! See? People are having fun. That's what it is. Love these types of tourists who are just enjoying themselves as much as they can here in the area. So all bars are different, but there's bars who are frequented mostly by a single type of a tourist, which is the case of a lot of them here on the Levante beach, honestly. Copacabana here with some nice offers for like bucket deals. They also have menu, daily menu. They have cocktails menu. Hello, cocktails menu. They also have different types of plates here, offers, breakfast. Great place to be. Sunny terrace by the Levante beach with privileged views, obviously. People are playing some sports here. There's plenty of space still. Different volleyball, beach football, whatever they want, basically. Even like a tennis, but like beach tennis. Oh, such a nice time. Not a lot of people are swimming though, because the water temperature is still off 16.8 degrees, and it will rise in the next 10 days by a couple of them, like around 17 point something, maybe 18 towards mid-May, and then towards June it's going to be already around 20 something degrees of the water temperature, which is when locals start to go for a swim inside of the sea. The jungle bar and terrace here, I love its design. Usually in winter it's empty a lot of the times, but in summer season and now on Easter holidays, it is actually really full. Many families here, so many bicycles. Wow, people are using bicycles a lot. Actually in May, beginning of May, there's an International Bike Day, which is why it's recommended to go outside with your bicycle if you're here on holidays, or rent one and enjoy discovering Benidorm town in an alternative way. The tiki is in its usual sauce right now. A lot of people on the terrace grabbing some buckets. Full English breakfast they serve as well. $8.90. That must be some big breakfast. Jugs. Actually, jugs is all right. If there's a lot of you, grab a whole jug of like sangria or something like similar, mojito, maybe even pina colada, whatever it is. Might be a great option for you, so that you wouldn't need to spend so much money, on drinks. Cayman Beach snack bar and cocktail place, usually extremely busy. People are coming here mostly for drinks. Not all people come for snacks though. Some of them do, but mostly it's for drinks, coffee, different types of cocktails, or warm drinks, even if it's quite chilly outside, which today is not the case. It's more than 20 degrees, so we couldn't be happier about the weather that we are having right now, honestly. So far, didn't see any mojito sellers. Probably they've got scared away with the police cars. And speaking about the police, there they are, at least their car, which means that they should be somewhere here nearby. And in our latest news update that we've just posted yesterday, if you didn't check it out, check it out. We're speaking about that Benidorm will be way safer from now on, hopefully. I know there's some newspapers that are trying to say Benidorm is really dangerous right now. Don't go here, stay home, stay where you are. But actually it's not the case, and even the opposite. Right now, Benidorm is becoming more and more safe each time, because there's more things being done to ensure safety of all the tourists and locals who are here in the area. So obviously, This is a great place to be. And the best proof, probably, proof of how safe it is all this that you can see. So many people out here, so many people trusting this city with their lives, with their belongings, with their holidays. And so many people are enjoying everything that this area has to offer. But it's great, don't get me wrong, it's great to have a police car just parked on the beach. We are now already on the Girona Street, and here we have Andy's, simply the best sports bar. This terrace is one of the busiest that you will see on this street because it's sunny, it's full sunshine, which means that people just love it. They're saying, come here to my hubby. Yorkshire Pride. This is also a great place, quite recommended. I must say it's popular amongst different types of people, groups as well. Winning posts, see, people are waving, people are having so much fun, grabbing some breakfast as well. It's a good place to be. These are typical bars. These are typical places where people are coming for some drink and some snack. Those who don't want to be on the beach, or those who are just starting the morning here before they continue to explore. Jumping Jacks, also located out here. Today it's not as busy though. Look at this. It's not as busy though today, but people are already grabbing some nice meals. Some first buckets can be seen out here on midday. Some of them probably in the morning because they're all done and finished and over with. People are having such a loveliest time here. That is how we love to see. Fresh bucket is coming to someone. Look at that. We love people having so much fun, enjoying themselves, enjoying a great time. Some people on the sun, others are in the shade. Real much appreciated, especially with all these sun and sunburns. Someone's celebrating something out there too. Oh, this is just a great place to be. The Rockstar, by the way. Breakfast in Rockstar. Never tried a breakfast here. I wonder how it actually looks. Really? Oh, really quiet today. Wow, look at that. Really quiet today. Usually the terraces are full. That's probably because people are on the beach. Nice breakfast, small one, $4.50. Slightly further along, right next to the Brit Station. Very nice design. We'll love this place. It's just like where everything comes together. The name, the design, the atmosphere. It's just how it should be. Just a perfect place for the British Street. And here we have nice groups celebrating. Quite a few stag hen parties, maybe bridal showers, maybe divorce showers. Who knows? But the fact is that people are celebrating. All prices are clearly visible for all different beers options. Cocktail of the day, €5. That's not bad at all. Look at that. These are some competitive pricing. The Mr. Bean, hello Mr. Bean, bucket prices less than €10. That's quite all right. Look at this. Very sunny, very busy place this midday already. From here, we have some more places. Close to the Sundays Market and the Flash Hotel, we have some more loveliest terraces. The Patty Bros Take and Go, the burger place with fries and some snacks. Ideal when you're having some drinks here in Uncle Pet's, by the way. Huge terrace, a lot of movement always. See? So many groups out here, so many people just enjoying. Sometimes we see even some curious outfits that you do not expect normally to see on the streets, but taking it to, hey, look at that. See? That's just a best atmosphere ever. Right at the beginning of the British Street next to the Mariano's chicken place, which by the way was packed yesterday, Friday night. We filmed you the Girona Street, the British Street, on Friday night, and it was absolutely full. So many things were going on. Some people didn't want us to film, but guess what? We are still here. We're still gonna do it. We're still gonna show you the atmosphere because we have all the right to, and you have the right to see all of it. As for the day of today, thank you for accompanying us in today's sunny, hot, and very busy Levante Beach and all the popular bars in Benidorm town. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in a new video.